Today's modern world of manufacturing is increasingly competitive. Keeping pace requires a data-focused approach that embraces industrial IoT technologies to maximize production efficiency through continuous monitoring and informed decision-making. Successfully implementing smart packaging equipment can achieve improved throughput, reduce downtime, and give improved diagnostics. BestPack Engineering has created an integrated solution directly on your machine with the DAS, or Data Advantage System, equipped with technologies to gather, analyze, and store data through the cloud, giving you insights to make intelligent decisions on your production line based on the collected information. Custom designed for the rigorous demands of OEM manufacturing, agriculture, and other various packaging environments, DAS now ships as a standard feature on many carton sealers and carton erectors. Configuring the system is easy and only takes a few minutes to get connected. Once online, machine data is securely uploaded to an online platform where it is processed and visualized on an intuitive dashboard. Our Data Advantage System utilizes built-in hardware to track and publish machine data and leverages the cloud to perform complex analytics and deliver actionable insights in real time. Warehouse operators and production managers can use the dashboard to remotely monitor machine status, track production output, and identify performance bottlenecks. The platform creates a single, reliable source of information, enabling collaborative performance management across the production line for operators, supervisors, engineers, and managers. BestPack has built a smart, lasting system that is more than capable of keeping up with growing companies' demand for automation. In order to maximize efficiency, be ahead of the data and transform your operation today. Go with the BestPack Advantage.